So what even is the cloud? No, seriously, you hear it all the time. Just save it to the cloud. Like it has some magical sky folder floating above our heads, being guarded by tech wizards and digital pigeons or something. That thing you're probably watching this video on while eating cereal at 2 p.m. in your pajamas? Yeah, that one. It stores files, right? It's pictures, videos, that embarrassing folder called Taxes 2020 Final V2 Real this time. So normally those files just sit on your hard drive, chilling. As long as UVA got internet and a password you didn't T-make 123,456, you're golden. Great question. Marketing. That's it. Save it to the remote data server cluster network infrastructure DOSIN. T. Exactly roll off the tongue. First, we got public cloud. Think Google Drive, Dropbox, iCloud. You share resources with others, kind of like using a gym. Because instead of buying a bunch of expensive computers and servers, hiring people to maintain them, praying they don't catch fire, they just rent space in the cloud. Want to train an AI to write weird love poems to pizza?
Cloud.
Just know what they really mean. Is it S on someone else's mega computer? That S probably buried in a data center under a mountain guarded by lasers and climate control? It's just the internet's version of a storage unit, except it's fast, secure, invisible, and you don't have to worry about losing the key. Not as fluffy as it sounds, but still way cooler than burning everything to a DVD like it's 2004. Want to launch a startup from your couch while wearing Crocs? Cloud. Want to store every episode of every show you've ever watched but swear you'll get to someday? Up cloud. Subscribe to ThinkBits or don't. Whatever. Your data's already in the cloud anyway. It's flexible, fast, and someone else has to deal with the mess. It's kind of like living in an apartment where the landlord takes care of the plumbing, internet, and the weird raccoon in the ceiling. You don't own the treadmill, but you get to use it. Until someone else comes in sweating all over it. Then there is private cloud. That S when a company sets up its own cloud system just for itself. Like building your own gym in your basement because you hate people. And finally, hybrid cloud. Which is exactly what it sounds like. A mix of both. Corporate IT folks love this because it makes them sound smart during meetings. So they went with the cloud because it sounds fluffy, futuristic, and kind of mysterious. Also, because saying cloud makes people think it's free. Which, plot twist, it usually isn't. At least not if you use a lot of space. Most of the time you get like 5 gigabytes free, which is just enough to store 5 high-resolution selfies and 1 video of your cat falling off the table. This is why people love it. Convenience, backup, peace of mind. Also, let us be honest. Nobody wants to carry around a USB stick in 2025. Like it is a medieval artifact. Ha, you sweet summer child. Storage is just the beginning. These days, the cloud runs everything. Streaming Netflix, that's the cloud. Backing up your phone, cloud. Using Google Docs to pretend you're working while you actually scroll TikTok, cloud. Even this video to 100% cloud powered. I mean, unless you downloaded it like a caveman. The moment you run out of space or spill coffee on your laptop, rip data. That's where the cloud comes in, like some slick, invisible superhero that doesn't wear tights. Spoiler, it's not in the sky. There are no pigeons involved, and the only magic here is how good we are at pretending we understand it while nodding like, oh yeah, the cloud, totally got it. Alright, let's break it down. You know your computer. The cloud is basically someone else's computer. Yep, that's it. Dramatic pause. It's not a floaty thing in the sky. Yep, but don't worry. It's not like Dave from accounting is browsing through your vacation pics. These companies have Fort Knox level security, encryption, and lasers. Probably lasers. The point is, your data is locked up tighter than your grandma's candy jar. It's a bunch of physical servers, giant computers, sitting in massive data centers all over the world. Amazon's got some, Google's hoarding a few, Microsoft has their own collection, like cards, and they let you use some space on their machines through the internet. You upload your photos, your videos, your 300 memes about Mondays, and boom, it's all on their servers. That's the cloud. Now you're probably thinking, wait, so my stuff is just sitting on some stranger's computer somewhere? And because it's all online, you can access it from anywhere. Your phone, your tablet, your smart fridge, if that's your thing. ThinkBits, you ask, chewing your second Pop-Tart. Why do they call it the cloud if it's not actually in the clouds? Now there's different types of clouds too, yep. Welcome to cloud weather. But wait, you interrupt again? Probably halfway into your snack drawer? Isn't the cloud just for storage? And here's the real kicker. Businesses are obsessed with the cloud. Like, weirdly obsessed. Plus, thanks to the cloud, we now have AI, machine learning, big data, and all that buzzword goodness happening at massive scale. So next time someone says it's in the cloud, in conclusion, the cloud isn't magic, it's not weather. And it's definitely not your excuse to never back up your data again. And that, my fellow Earthlings, is the cloud. Boring name. Cool tech. You're welcome.